Getting 4,000 watch hours is now very easy. In fact, that's the simplest thing right now. So if you're still struggling to get your 4,000 watch hours, or it seems very difficult or impossible for you to get that 4,000 watch hours, this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to be showing you 2 good methods you can use to achieve and get your 4,000 watch hours very fast. As we all know, you need that 4,000 watch hours for you to be able to unlock full monetization here on YouTube. Without that 4,000 watch hours, you can't unlock monetization even if you have 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so what I'm about to share is going to really help you if you're trusting to get monetized this month. In fact, one of my subscribers actually chatted me this morning. She was so filled with joy, so she sent me her current analytics, and after doing this particular strategy, one of our videos actually gave her 212 watch hours and got 21.2k views. Did you see? I'm just screaming. I just ended it this morning. I'm screaming. It would take me at least 20 good long time videos to get this. Then she sent me a video appreciating that I show her the strategy, and then as if that was not enough, she sent another message. The one I did this morning had 38k views. Jesus Christ. She was just so joyful. Like, this is crazy. I can't get over it. You can see the message on your screen. This is to tell you that what I'm about to share in this video actually works. Now you can actually check her channel to see what she does, but do not watch this video to the very end, because if you don't watch step by step and you miss a part, please do not come back to say it didn't work for you, because what I'm about to share, you need to watch from beginning to the end so that you can actually implement. And like I said, I'm going to be sharing 2 ways. So if the first one does not work for you, the second one is actually going to work for you. Okay, so without much being said, let me take you straight into the main video. Hey guys, you're welcome back to this channel. My name is Pookie. On this channel I share tips that can help you grow fast on YouTube, and I also share tips you need to avoid as a YouTuber so that you don't get into trouble. So if this sounds like what you want for your channel, do also like this video, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section, because the comment section is where we YouTubers actually meet. So you can actually meet people that can, you know, support your channel. So now for the first method, it's actually riddles and puzzles. This is something most of us know here on YouTube, and if you don't know about riddles and puzzles, please do want to watch this video. I made this video for you. It's actually a full tutorial on how you can use it to get your 4,000 watch hours, okay, the right way, because there's a way you can go about it and you're going to get copyright or you're going to have issues. Okay, so that's why I created this video for you on how you can do your riddles and your puzzles the right way for you to get your 4,000 watch hours without having any issues at all. So for the second method, which is the main thing that I'm going to be teaching in this video, it is about videos. Okay, using videos to get your 4,000 watch hours, not your regular videos. Okay, so please do want to watch this to the very end. I'm going to be placing a screen record around here so that you can see exactly how to go about it. Now the first thing you need to do for this method is that you need to go either to TikTok or Instagram, look for very catchy video. Okay, a video that you know that no one is going to scroll up without having to click. Okay, so it is left to you to make that research either on TikTok or on Instagram. Now once you find that particular video, not too long, at least a video of 3 minutes to 5 minutes is fine. You need to download it. You can use Insta Saver to download it from Instagram, or you can use TikTok Saver to download videos from TikTok. Okay, now you make sure that you download without watermark. And once you have it downloaded on your phone, you need to take it to CapCut or InShot to edit it so that you're not going to have copyright. I would have showed you all the method, but I don't want this video to be very long. Once you take it to CapCut or InShot, you need to just add some little touches on it. Okay, in fact, you can add your face, you can add a picture of you, just overlay it, add a video of you reacting. This is where the main work is. You need to go to your App Store or your Google Play Store to download Prism Live Studio. Okay, so once you download Prism Live Studio, you're going to see an interface like this now, which is continue with Facebook, Google, Twitch. You're going to click on Google. Okay, so it is actually going to load. Now it is actually going to show you an interface where you have to choose an account, and it is going to bring all the Gmail accounts you have registered on your phone. Now you need to click on the particular Gmail that is linked to your YouTube channel. So I'm just going to click on mine, and then it is actually going to load and bring out the next interface where you have to accept and, you know, grant permission for the app to have access to your camera, the microphone. Just press OK and grant it the permission. So after granting it permission, you're going to see an interface like this where you're going to see connect, live, videos, photos, and the likes. Okay, so what you need to do is to scroll from right to left. From right to left. So you're just going to scroll this way. You're going to see media, playlist, text, and widgets. So what you're going to click on is media. Now once you click on media, you're going to see that particular video which you have already saved, right? Okay, I'm just going to click on this for this tutorial sake. So then you click on add. Now once you click on add, you can see it is here already, so just click on it and you're going to click on this. Once you click on it, you're going to see this square something. Click on it so that it is going to be full video. Now do you see this arrow here? Click on this arrow. That means you're going to loop it. It's going to play continuously for hours. Now once you click on that particular one, you come to this volume side. This is if you want to increase, if you want to reduce, if you don't want it to have sound, but it's best not to have sound so that you don't get copyrighted. Okay, so just click on it and then reduce the sound. Now that is it for this one. Now you come to this place, click on ready. Once you click on ready, you're going to see RTPM YouTube. Now you click on it, you're going to see stream URL, which is required. So you don't need to touch this one, but you see the stream key, which is required. Yours is going to be empty because this is the first time you're actually using it. Now you have to go to your YouTube Studio, the desktop version, to get the stream key that is required for the live stream. Okay, so now you go to your Chrome browser and you type studio.youtube.com. okay, and it is going to take you to your YouTube desktop version. So this is my YouTube desktop version. Now you're going to click to the right side of your YouTube desktop version, zoom it a bit. Now you can see under create, we have this arrow, we have this live, and we have this pencil icon. You click on the middle, which is this one, and you're going to see go live. Okay, so it is actually going to bring you to this interface. Once you click on it, all you need to do is to come to this place and you drag it. Okay, drag it to the left. Now once you drag it to the left, you're going to see stream key at the top. So just drag and then you're going to click on this copy. Now once you copy it, you minimize and come back to this app, and then you're going to paste the stream key there. You're going to paste it here where the stream key is required. Okay, so now you're going to save it. Now once you save it, you're ready to go live. Once you click on live, it is actually going to go live and it is going to count down. So let's see how it is. Now this is actually live. This is what people will be saying. So once you go live, don't forget to click on play, because you need to click on play for people to see exactly what you're showing them. Okay, to see the video. If you don't click on play, it is not going to play. Now that it is playing, this is what people are going to be seeing, and trust me, people are really going to engage. That is why you need to find a video that is very, very catchy. You can find video of games, screen record, probably where you're playing game, bricks, Candy Crush, just something that is very, very engaging to catch the attention of people, and you take it to this Prism Live Studio and you follow this exact format which I showed us in this video, and then you loop it. So the maximum you can stream for is 11 hours 50 minutes. Okay, so once you have 11 hours 50 minutes or 11 hours, which is best, you can end the live stream and then you use another video to do another streaming. Now with this, you're going to get your 4,000 watch hours very fast. The more people engage, the more you get watch hours. Okay, so now this works so well. If you do your research to find videos that are very, very engaging, that's the strategy. So just do well to implement this on your channel and you're going to see results. Okay, so that is all for this second strategy. And another thing you need to take note is, if you're doing it for the first time, you may likely not get much views, but if you do it consistently, YouTube will start pushing that particular live stream, and then people will start. And I know a lot of creators that have actually gotten their 4,000 watch hours and they are monetized currently through this strategy. Okay, so now for my subscriber that messaged me that she's currently at 3,000 watch hours, the strategy she used was the puzzle and riddle, and it is working for her so well. You can actually check her channel, like I said, to see exactly how she's doing it. And for you to do your riddle and puzzles the right way, you can actually still watch this video I made for you so that you can do it the right way. So this will be the end of this video. I'll be waiting for your testimonial in the comment section. Once you have your 4,000 watch hours, don't forget to come and comment that this worked for me. I'm going to see you in my next video. Do well and take care. Bye.